Hello, this is the continuation of module 1 part 2. So in this module, in this previous video lecture, we have seen about the OSI layers, what are the responsibilities of all the 7 layers. So now we will see the TCP/IP protocol suite, that is TCP/IP model. So how TCP/IP model is shown with the similarities with the OSI model. So in the TCP/IP model, there are only 5 layers. So data link layer and physical layer together combined, it is taken as data link layer. Network layer is same network layer. Transport layer is same transport layer. Presentation, session and application all are combined to form the application layer. So here this is the TCP/IP protocol suite. You can see the 5 different layers: physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer and the application layer. So all these put together is your transport TCP/IP. So here very important, we are having the protocols that are used in the different layers. If you see in the data link layer and the physical layer, protocols defined by the underlying network host to network. That is depending on the bottom physical layer, it is there in the data link layer. If you go for your network internet layer, the IP internet protocol is the major protocol that we are going to discuss. We are going to see about the protocols ICMP, IGMP, RARP and ARP. All these protocols will be discussing in the module 2. In the last module 3, we are discussing about the network layer. In the last 5th module, we will be discussing about the transport layer, that is SCTP, TCP and UDP. In the presentation session application together put as presentation, you are having SMTP, file transfer, hypertext transfer protocol, DNS, all this telnet, everything we are seeing, or we are just giving an overview of the application layer protocol. So this is the TCP/IP protocol suite where you are having the 5 layers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So TCP/IP protocol suite, if you see the different layer, host to network, the physical and data link layer together is known as host to network. There is no specific protocol here. In the network layer, we are having the IP internet protocol, ARP address resolution protocol, RARP reverse ARP, ICMP internet control message protocol, IGMP the internet group message protocol. Transport layer, we are having transmission control protocol, TCP, user datagram protocol, UDP, SCTP stream control transmission protocol, SCTP. In the application layer, it is the combined of session, presentation and application layers together. So usually they are telling it as 5, but actually it will be it usually here it is given as 4, but actually it will be considered as 5 layers TCP/IP. That is physical layer is kept as it is: physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport and application layer. So in the transport TCP/IP, very important, 4 levels of addressing in TCP/IP protocol. So here address is having more importance. So in the TCP/IP protocol, there are 4 different addresses: physical link, that is link address, logical, IP, network, port, specific and address. So here address is divided into physical address, logical address, port address and specific address. So if you see what is this address, what is physical address, what is logical, what is port and what is specific, let us see some examples and discuss. So addressing, very important, please remember addressing in TCP/IP protocol is 4 types, that is it is physical, logical, port and specific. So what is this physical address? So details of the TCP/IP layer, relationship to layers and addresses. So which layer is used in the which layer. So this is the diagram showing the relationship between the address and the TCP/IP protocol suite. You can see physical layer, data link layer together, it is having the physical address. So physical address is the address given to the system that is there within the network. In network layer, IP and other protocol use the logical address. In the transport layer, it is using the port address. In the application layer, it will be using the specific address. For example, for you to understand easily, suppose we are going to send, I am a sender, I am going to send the information to, or information through a mail to a friend in other country. So a friend in other country is my destination. So what is the addresses and what is the levels of addresses I am going to use? Specific address is my mail ID. I'll be using my mail ID and I am writing from and to. From and to is specific address. I am telling about the mail address of the destination. So port address is in which mail I will be actually using. So which port, which process I am going to use to send this information, whether I am going with a Gmail, or whether I am going with the Yahoo Mail, whether I am going with Rediff Mail. So what is the port number of this one? What is the process? In this process, which is the IP address I have to send? So which is the network I have to reach my information? So every network is having its own network address. So inside this network, which is the system where my receiver is going to log in. So these are the steps of information known as specific, port, logical and physical address. So in the class also we have discussed about this one. If you take example of your USN number, for example, our college is starting having the USN number 1SBEC00 your number. So 1SB16EC or 14EC. So 1 is nothing but the region address that is belonging to Bangalore. That is specific. Whenever you tell 1, it is about Bangalore. SB is specific to our college, that is Shirdi Sai Engineering College. In Shirdi Sai Engineering College, which year you have joined, that is 16, 15, 14, or that is depending on the year. In this year, you belong to the branch EC, and what is your number? Your physical number is 007. If I tell only 007, you will not understand, because 007, there are so many 007 in the college. Either it is first year, second year, third year, fourth year, electrical, computer science, mechanical, everybody is having 007. You are not specific. So 007 is physical number given to you. In order to understand this physical number, you need to have the logical address. Logical address is nothing but the department. In this department, in which year, that is the logical department, and that which year will give you more information. So in this department, that is EC 16. EC means in the year 2016 you have joined EC 007. So what is the port, where it has to go? It has to come to Bangalore. In Bangalore, it has to come to Shirdi Sai Engineering College. So SB will be your port address. In the college SB, in the department EC, you are having so and so number. So specific address, it belongs to the area Bangalore. That is in VTU. In VTU is our specific. In VTU in Bangalore 1SB, that is my port address. This is the logical address, and this is the physical. So likewise, you can divide the address into different layers of information. So everything put together is the address given to you. So this address, step by step, if you are going to divide, it is physical, logical, port and specific. So this can be more clearly explained using the example. So here you can see the physical address. So data, here you can see destination 87, source is 10. So that number what is given is 87 and 10 are the system numbers in the LAN network. So this address will be going with 87 and 10. That is the physical address of the system that is used to send the information from the source to the destination with the data and the trailer. Then when we go to the logical address, in logical address, if you tell 87 and 10, it will not understand, because it has to go out of the LAN. So when it is going from the LAN, it is having a source address, that is A10. A10 is my source address and P is my destination. So it will have a address translation from physical address to a logical address. So the physical address will change from hop to hop, but the logical address usually remain the same. So logical address is nothing but the IP address what we are getting, that will remain same. So like your mobile number, every mobile number is having the IME number. So that IME number will remain same. So wherever you go, your IME number is not going to change. So every address is having a, so inside the network you will have a physical address. When you are going out from the network to other network, your physical address will be changed to a logical address. Then you are having your port address. Port address in the system, which port you have to do. So here you can see in the example, A, B, C, small a, small b, small c are the processes used in the sender. It has to send the information to J and K. So A is the port in the sender, J is the port in the receiver. So this is having the address of the sender A. Capital A is the source address, capital P is the destination address, with small a is the port address, with small j is the port address at the receiver. So using these addresses through internet, it is going to transfer the information. So port address is nothing but the physical address change from hop to hop, but the logical and port address usually remains the same. The last one you are going to see is the specific address. The specific address is some application that have user friendly addresses that are designed for that specific address. Example, one email address is a specific address, defines the recipient of an email. URLs that we are using in the Google. Www is the document of the www, World Wide Web. So these are some of the specific addresses used. So here in the addresses we have seen what is physical address. Physical address is the physical number given to a system within the network. When the information is going from that LAN to other LAN, your physical address will be changed to a logical address. This process will be done using a network address translation, or the address will be transferred from physical to logical. Logical address will not change from any hop to hop. Physical will change from hop to hop. Then in the port, in the system, for a port you will give the port address. Specific address is given for some specific URLs, email address, all such things are specific. So these are the different addresses used in the TCP/IP suite, or in general where the addresses used here are physical, port, logical, and specific addresses. So I hope everybody is clear with TCP/IP protocol suite as well as TCP/IP layers with the addresses discussed now. Thank you.